Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this new Lipsense Miss USA Dual Lipsense application, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I'm hopping on to show you a new Lipsense that came out a little bit ago, and it sold out like that, like 2 or 3 times. I'm hoping that it's still in stock, but it is the Miss USA Dual. So these are the size of a Shadow Sense. So they're a little bit cheaper. So this, I don't know why it sold out. I've worn it once before. It is a matte. With Lipsense, we have mattes, we have glitters, we have our shimmery glitters. I don't think it has. Yeah. We have mattes, we have shimmers, and we have frosties. So, yeah. So I wanted to show you this. This dual set, if it's still available, is $34, and I will put a link down below so that you can shop this dual or any Lipsense. You will need a glossy gloss to seal it in. This is a must, and to remove it, you need a oops remover. So, and if you remove Lipsense in any other way besides the oops remover, please don't tell me, because you need the oops remover to remove it. So, if you don't know what Lipsense is a liquid lip color equal up to 3 tubes of regular Lipsense. It is smudge-proof, kiss-proof, waterproof or water-resistant, lead-free, wax-free, cruelty-free, vegan-free, not tested on any animals, doesn't have any animal products in it, which is amazing. It is gluten-free and made in the US. All Lipsense, all Synergens products are made in the US, which is amazing. So, I will put a link down below so that you can shop this dual, or you can buy them individually if it has not sold out. So, and also, while you're there, right before you go to checkout, you want to click on that Kiss and Tell little box before checkout box. Click that, and it gets you 10% off all your purchases all year round. That's including Synergens is having a sale on Lipsense for 15% off. You use my link and you sign up by doing that little box, and you would get an extra 10% off. You also get, emails, blogs, all that stuff. If you spend $100 and you click that button, or 100, it would be 110 because it's not free signups for the month of June. But so if you spend $100 plus the little box, that's 110. You get free shipping, free samples, and your products. You spend 150, you get free products. A free gift, free samples, and the products you bought. So that is every month if you want to keep buying. And trust me, you will, because this is not like any drugstore lipstick ever. It is smudge proof. I rather apply it once, and it's about 10:30 in the morning. I rather apply it once and have it last all day, drinking coffee, food, and not have to reapply it or retouch it up. It lasts from 4 to 18 hours, and trust me, I can testify to it because sometimes I am so tired, I do not want to take my makeup off, and I just fall asleep. Life happens. I wake up the next morning, the Lipsense is still on my lips, and it's been over 18 hours. So, this is how you apply it. You get a damp rag and you wipe it all off. Then you blot it in the dry spot because we don't want to get any food, any makeup, because it just won't apply. And I already did that. The next step is you want to shake it up. That's if it's the first time using it or the 20th time using it. You always want to shake it up. And this is a different color, but it should sound like this. That's actually a bead mixing, I'm not going to use this one, mixing up your color. And yeah, it's really cool. I already shook this one, but you want to shake it for about 30 seconds. And I put Lipsense lip gloss on before I started this video, so I wiped it all off, but my lips are hydrated and moisturized. So you want to do it in 3 thin layers, and you want to go in the same direction you started with. Your lips cannot touch, so I can't really talk. But after, you can go in and retouch it up before you apply the next layer if you would like. After, you want to make sure every time that you do the 3 thin layers that it's dry in between the touch, it's not tacky. But after the 3rd layer, you want to seal it in with gloss. Then you can wipe it off and use our Lipsense lip gloss. So, and it, like any Lipsense lip gloss, you can use, and it will actually change the color too. So this is called, after all that, Legacy Lips. So this is already shook up. I'm wiping off all the excess. So here I go. This is a matte color. And I'm going to go in the same direction started with. Here's layer 1. In my nose here. Okay. Keep it so. There's layer 1. So I like to go in, if I'm doing my makeup, I like to go in and finish up. But this time, I'm not. Okay, almost dry. There's layer 1 of it. Getting dry. Oh, you can't have the lips touch together. Here's layer 2. You don't want to put it on thick, and you don't want to go back and forth like I did. I did that on accident. So, then let it dry. Okay. Let's try this out. I like doing matte colors with shimmers on the eyes. It just makes it look better. Next, okay. This is the Lipsense. This is layer 3. The last layer. Touching it up a little down here. Okay, that is layer 3. Now it's gonna dry. I'm gonna find a dry spot right here and show you on my hand. Okay, almost dry. A little tacky. And it takes about 5 to 10 seconds depending on the color. Gloss. Dry. This is clear. Nothing on the wand. And you don't have to go in the same direction. And if it still feels tacky, rub your lips together to seal in the gloss. If it still feels tacky, then you can add more gloss. Okay? Nothing on the wand. Rub your lips together to seal it in. And there's nothing on my hand. Okay? Nothing. Do you see that? Just with Lego. Nothing. The only thing that comes off is the gloss. Now I'm going to blot it off with this towel, the gloss, and show you what this is called Runway Gloss. So it comes with it. Okay, so I blotted it off, and I'm going to. So all of our Lipsense lip glosses have vitamin E and shea butter, and they are amazing. They will leave your lips hydrated and moisturized. They're not like the regular chapsticks that you buy in the store. A lot of them, I don't know about now, but I have heard a lot of them have wax in them, and that's why you have to keep reapplying it. With Synergen's lip gloss, you can apply it and it will keep your lips moisturized and hydrated. It's not going to last as long as Lipsense would, but it's still like you can apply it like when you want, but your lips are going to stay hydrated and moisturized. They're not like the chapsticks in the store. So if you're more into lip glosses, you can use my link and click that little box. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm so glad I finally got around to show you guys what it looks like. So I will be back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I'm back with the end result, and this is how it turned out. I'm in more natural lighting. The sun is actually out today, and this is how it turned out. I'm so glad that I showed you guys this. But remember to click that link, and if you find it or any Lipsense, or if you need help, please message me over on my Instagram account at redesign16. There's a link in my YouTube about page. And also, I do short videos on Lipsense, so please go check out my short videos. That would really help me out. But I will put a link down below so that you can shop this Lipsense if it's still in stock online, or you can shop any Lipsense. And if, like I said, if you need help, that's what I'm here for. You can directly message me on my Instagram account, or you can leave a comment, say Lipsense help or something like that. So please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.